Welcome to this beach-themed dining room decorating tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to transform a plain dining room into a coastal paradise using a variety of beach-inspired components. Let's start with the foundation. Choose a coastal color palette, like soft blues, sandy beiges, and aqua hues. To add texture and character, install wainscoting for that classic beach cottage look. And for a touch of coastal charm, consider coastal-themed wallpaper. Proper lighting is essential. Hang pendant lights made from seashells or driftwood for a warm, beachy ambience. And don't forget to install a coastal ceiling fan for both style and comfort. Now, let's address the flooring. Choose light-colored hardwood or whitewashed wooden floors for that beachy feel. Add nautical rugs with anchor or stripe patterns to anchor the dining area and provide comfort underfoot. For the windows, consider woven bamboo shades to filter the light and create a relaxed atmosphere. Pair them with beachy curtains and sheer, airy fabrics to complete the look. Now, let's bring in some personality. Hang beach-themed artwork, like paintings of seascapes or ocean-inspired prints. Decorate with driftwood sculptures, mirrors, and seashell collections for that coastal charm. Let's move to the dining essentials. Choose a dining table with a distressed finish or a glass top table with a beachy base. Complement it with rattan chairs for a relaxed, coastal look. To add both style and functionality, including a beachy buffet or sideboard for storage and display. And set up a coastal bar cart with beachy glassware and tropical drinks for that ultimate beach vibe. To tie it all together, install a stunning coastal chandelier with elements like shells or glass float orbs for a captivating centerpiece. Lastly, if you're lucky enough to have one, maximize the natural beauty by letting in the ocean view through large windows or glass doors. And there you have it. By incorporating these beach-inspired components, you can transform your dining room into a coastal paradise where every meal feels like a seaside escape. Thanks for joining us, and happy decorating!